To copy the format of one or more cells to another cell or cells, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to copy the format of the table headers on the left to the table headers on the right. I first select the cell C2 because it has the format I want. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cell, I click the right button of the mouse. And from the floating menu, I select the option Copy. Third, I select all the headers of the table on the right. Fourth, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse. And from the floating menu, I select the option Paste Special. Fifth, I select Formats. To finalize, I click OK. As a result, the table headers on the right get their formats copied from the table headers on the left. You can also copy the format of one or more cells by using the button called Format Painter, located under the Home tab. To do this, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps to copy the percentage format from the table on the left to the table on the right. I first select the cell D4 because it has the percentage format I want. Second, I select the Home tab. Third, I click the Format Painter button. Fourth, I select all the cells under percentage. As a result, the copied formats get applied.